Why do we have to be bad people? Because we have something, or we think we have a big degree from a university, or we live in, I don't know, what makes people feel they're better than everybody else? What? You know, one thing I learned in America, and I admire that, you know, in the Caribbean, in Trinidad and Guyana and Pakistan and Egypt and different countries and Bangladesh and India, you know, you look at a guy in a big house and think, well, he's very rich and he's up there. In America, you may look at a poor old guy walking the street and he can buy that guy. Yeah? He can buy him and you and all of us together. In America, you see somebody walking in a public supermarket, pushing a little wheelchair, buying some groceries. They own condos on the beach. Millions. And you and I feel we big with a little couple $100,000 house that you still owe mortgage on? Huh? Are we? Come on, man. Let's think. Some of these old people walking by, I'm amazed. You know, I do a lot of interfaith work. And when I meet these people and they tell me the things they do, I'm like, wow, and the things they have. But I have to talk to them, find out, and I'm like, and they look like they have nothing. So that's something I learned when I came to America. Because in other countries, you know people by the buildings and what they have. Here, every second person drives a Mercedes-Benz. Do you know that? Every second person drives. I saw somebody pitched up with a Mercedes-Benz recently. I'm like, wow, subhanallah, who is that? I was a regular, ordinary sister that I knew, just doing regular service and khidmat here and there. So it doesn't make you somebody when you drive a Mercedes and a Lexus in America. No. So this country teaches us a lot.